Hey guys, and welcome back. So today's video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing this cordless water flosser. This has everything you need to floss your teeth, including the little container that holds the water, as well as the travel case. Alright, so here is the wireless oral irrigator. This is compact foldable design. It's got a jet tip storage room, so you have a place to put it in. So here's some specs here on the side: that it is waterproof, it is cordless. The great thing about it is you can adjust the pressure within the range. It ranges between 20 to 110 psi's. It's soft, normal, deep clean. It's got pulsing for your gums. So this just tells you right here on the side of how to set it up. You'll remove the bottom part, pull that little thing out, put some water in, put your little tips in, and you're ready to go. And you have a warning on the back of it. Make sure you check that out before you use this. Alright, so let's dive into the box. So this comes with a standard jet tips. You get 3 of them for gently teeth cleaning. You get a tongue cleaning tip, which is to clean your tongue. You get a periodontal jet tip for cleaning the periodontal pockets. So this is the user manual. This basically tells you what every button is, how to use this, how to clean it, how to charge it. This has a built-in 2000 milliamp rechargeable battery with a Type-C USB charging cable. So you charge this for 4 hours. You can use this for 20 to 25 days. This has a 360-degree rotation nozzles, achieve multi-angle oral cleaning. It is an IPX7 waterproof. Make sure that the base covered is tightly or it will leak. So this just tells you how to use each tip, recommended usage, maintenancing, charging, troubleshooting. So here is the travel case. So this you can take anywhere with you. So this has 1400 times high frequency pulse, strong water pressure up to 110 psi's. The high frequency pulse water flow, strong water brings stable and power water impact, clean your teeth accurately. So here is the Type-C charging cable to charge this. Like I said, 4 hours of charging will give you 20 to 25 days of usage. So here are the tips. You get the tongue tips, you get the flossers, periodontal tip. So this actually works up to 1400 times a minute with high water pressure, strong enough to remove up to 99.9% of trapped food and residue. So here is the container itself. So it does have a little rubber at the bottom so it doesn't move around or slide around on a table or a counter. And this thing in here is where you'll put the water. They do have a max line. You just take it out like this, and then that is where you'll put your tips. So this little rubber thing is a little hard, but you got to push back. That is where you'll put your irrigator tips. You can see it goes all the way in there. So once you're done with that, you'll just flip that closed. And then you have your power button, you have your mode button. So you got normal, soft, pulse, and DIY. So the rubber thing at the bottom, before you put it in there, you'll need to remove that. You'll have a little metal thing at the bottom. You'll have to pull that out in order for it to go all the way down into the water reservoir. So we're just going to remove this little band right here. So this is just a little band. I would not throw it away. I'd keep that there, because when you do use it, you will actually want to put it back on there while you're tightening it up. So it does give you a nice seal tight. So they have a max water level. You'll just put it in here just like that, and you'll want to turn it. But before you do that, make sure you pull this all the way out. It comes all the way down. That's what will grab the water from the water reservoir. You can see it goes all the way down to the bottom. Make sure you have it all pulled out, and then you twist this on. So if you have water in here, I would highly recommend doing it with it standing up versus sideways. So you have 3 different modes, and the 3 different modes you have is the pulsating mode. You've got the power mode on. This is not really loud. It does have a good buzz to it, but it's not super loud, so it is not annoying. So the modes are, you have normal, soft, and pulse. So when you want to turn it on, you'll need to hold down the power button. You've got the mode button, and when you hold down the mode button, it switches from normal, soft, pulse, and DIY. Right now it is on the DIY. So when you just click on the mode, hit the power button, and then you can hear some sucking. The suction is basically it trying to get water from the reservoir. So you've got mode, that is the normal mode. You have the soft mode. There's the pulse mode. You click it again and you'll have it on the DIY mode. So now it's on the DIY mode. So now if you remember the rubber we had taken off in order to put the reservoir on, you want to put that at the bottom. You can see that it slides around. So with this one here, it will not slide as much. Make sure you pop that on really tight. And then you can see it won't slide around as much. And then here on the back, you do have a covered port to charge this. This is a Type-C charging port. This has a built-in 2000 milliamp rechargeable battery on a single charge of 4 hours. This can be used continuously for 20 to 25 days. So once you charge it for 4 hours, you have about a month of usage before you have to charge it again. When you want to put it up, you just push this little metal thing back up in there. You take this little plastic off, the rubber off. Put it back on the bottom of the container itself. Make sure you get the little rubber band in there. So you got the little rubber band right here. Make sure you have it back on there. And then you'll flip this upside down and it fits right back up in there. Just put it here just like this. And it twists back in. Make sure it's tight enough. So now there's your charger, and in this little bag here you get a 5-piece of different type of water tips to meet your needs. You get 3 standard jet tips for cleaning the tips between your teeth and below the gum line. You get a periodontal jet tip for periodontal pockets, 1 tongue cleaner tip that can effectively remove coating on the tongue and bring fresh breath. So you get all these that are included, as well as the travel bag, the charger, and the device itself. If you're looking for something to clean your teeth, like your gums and everything, without actually having to use floss, this is one option you can choose to pick. This is a nice little travel bag. If you're looking for something, I would say take a look at this one.